Everybody, it's Eugene Lee Show here, and we are going to be having the Forensic Photography Symposium coming up on January 17th to 20th, 2022. Today, I have Simon Brown, who's going to be one of our speakers, and he's going to be talking about underwater photography. And Simon, if you can, tell us a little bit about some of the challenges and some of the things that you're going to be discussing in your presentation.
Thanks, Eugene. So I think the biggest problem with underwater photography is that the environment is trying to kill you and you've got limited time. It's not an easy place to work. You know, you've got limited visibility, you've got tides, you've got currents, you've got a hostile environment. You know, sometimes it's a standing joke that when we're on the boat, it feels like the sea is just trying to kill you for being there. You know, it's not an easy place to work. But when you get it right, the results that you can get back if you can overcome a lot of the issues are absolutely priceless, because it's not somewhere that everybody can visit, and it's not somewhere that even those that are qualified to dive can often visit when they want. Here in the UK, we've got a combination of weather, which can kill a project, tide, which can limit the time on site to minutes, and then we've got underwater visibility, and you need all of those things to tie up to get in the water and then get what you need. But if you get it, it then means you can sit back and spend weeks, months, or even years reviewing, looking over data, finding new things, progressing projects. And this is often what we end up doing.
Well, you're doing some pretty fascinating work, and I definitely want to hear more about your equipment and
Sure.
some of the stories you have regarding maybe some of the better places and maybe some of the worst places that you photographed as well. And I'm sure you have a few. So, hey, thanks very much, Simon.
That's no
Looking
problem.
forward to seeing you.
Yeah, hopefully it'll be a nice, interesting little chat, and then to introduce people to a world that most people don't even encounter, let alone work in. So hopefully it'll be good. Thank you.